Hey, what's up, everyone out there in YouTube land? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are feeling well. Okay, welcome to another video. Alright, okay, so the positive quote of the day is winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. And that positive quote is by Bonnie Blair, who is a speed skater. Okay, so if you guys can like and subscribe to the channel, I would highly appreciate that. Thank you guys in advance. Okay, getting started with the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to build a free landing page and get some free traffic to our offer. Alright, so I did a video like this before. I will link it up top, and I will also link it in the description if you want to check that video out. This is just another offer and another way to promote uh, using a free landing page to get some free traffic. So for example purposes, I just headed over to clickbank.com again, like I did in the last video, and I am going to use this offer called Writing Paychecks Insane Converters. I really like the way they play with the whole Writing Paychecks name because it's actually a writing job offer, which is pretty cool to me. So as you can see, they're going to go ahead and pay you $17.84 per sale. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is click promote and get your affiliate link. Head over to the affiliate page, which I already have uploaded. Get some ideas for your landing page and your ad. Alright, so as you can see, you can scroll down here. They have plenty of ads to choose from. Alright, plenty of nice different style ads. Make money writing, earn money writing, make money writing, and so on and so on. They also have email swipes that you can use. I like to use these on my ads. But if you're into email marketing, just come here, and they also have great support. Alright, so to make our free landing page, we're going to head over to Google Sites. Okay, let this load up. Click blank. Okay, so once this loads, the first thing we're going to do is, alright, didn't take as long as I thought. Alright, the first thing we want to do is get just a name. Just call it Writing Jobs, or Write Jobs, or it could be anything. We'll just leave it like that. Right eye. Meant writing jobs, but you get the picture. Okay, so go ahead and get a title. Let's say get paid to write. Since this is a writing job offer. So it'll get paid to write. Okay. Alright, you can make this any way you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and just bold it. Alright. And I also want to add the affiliate link in here. So every time somebody clicks on here, it'll go straight to the offer. Alright. Let's get our link to our offer. Copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste again. Okay, there it is. Our link is in the text. Okay, so like I said, you can make this any way you choose. I'm just going to keep it simple and just add one picture. You can come over and add picture by images, copy and paste. But I'm just going to simply drag and drop my image, which I already have already. Alright, so here's our picture. We're going to make this just a little bit bigger. Alright, we're also going to add our affiliate link to the picture. Okay, apply. Okay, I'm pretty much done. I just want to keep this short, but you can go ahead and change the background. You can change the color. You can change the text. You can change this background color from any color you would like to. You can change the name, make it any way you want to. But I'm just going to keep it simple, just for example purposes. All right, we're going to hit publish. All right, publish again. Okay, let's go ahead and check out our site. Okay, bam, there you go. Nice and clean, right? I really like Google Sites. Very clean, very easy to use. Let's go ahead and make sure our links are working. Alright, seems to be working. At least that one is. Let's go ahead and check our picture link. Okay, seems to be working. Great. Okay, so every time somebody, purchases, we go ahead and get a $17.84 commission. One thing I forgot to mention is I got my copyrighted royalty-free pics from pixabay.com. They also have music, they have videos, they have sound effects. They also have illustrations and, of course, pictures that you can go ahead and use for your landing pages. Okay, so to get our free traffic, we're going to head over to classifiedads.com. This is just one of many ways to get some free traffic. So I went, for time purposes, I went ahead and filled out everything. So my category is jobs, since I'm promoting a work from home offer, and I clicked on business opportunities. My title is Get Paid to Write. My price is $39. I chose my city as New York, Bronx, New York. As my ad, I just, like I said, I went over, got this from the affiliate page from the offer, and from the email swipe, and copy and paste that as my ad. I just think that's really simple and easy, just copy and paste it. Here's my link to my Google site, my free landing page. So every time somebody clicks on that, they go to the Google page that we just made. This is not my real name, but I just put Peter Jones, an email, just for example purposes, a number, that's not my number, and I do not live in New York, the city, the town or neighborhood, and the zip code, and you can choose, which is really cool, to have your, your ad expire in 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months. I think that's pretty cool. All right, and go ahead and upload the image if you would like to, and just click post ad, and you're done. That's pretty simple, right? Okay, one thing I wanted to mention, like I did in the last video that I made for free traffic, is you can go ahead and add as much as you want. So if you want to go ahead and change the city and make it Queens, New York, or Harlem, New York, or Los Angeles, California, or you can go ahead and put 10 to 20 ads up if you want to and get that free traffic. Okay, one thing I wanted to show you about this site, if you're having trouble finding an offer, you can go ahead and see what the website has. Like if they have a vehicle offer, I believe there's car offers on ClickBank. Let's check. So if you wanted to do a vehicle, let's check on ClickBank, see if they have some vehicle offers. I believe they do. Some car offers or some car insurance offers. Let's see. Okay, just do a quick search. Okay, let's see. Let's just type in cars and see what happens. Okay. Yep, if you want to use a car. Alright, then you can use this offer right here. Car dealer licenses, how to start a car business. Perfect. Perfect. You can go ahead and use that. So if you're having trouble, finding, if you're having trouble, what do I want to say? Oh, I'm sorry. If you're having trouble finding an offer to promote, just start with the website and just go down here and go back to ClickBank or whatever site that you're using, and you let the categories guide you to an offer. Alright, simple as that. Well, that's all I have for you today. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. Hopefully I accomplished that. And to the point, that's just another way to come up with and to make a free landing page and get some free traffic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will have more ways on how to promote free or very cost effective or cheap. You guys have a blessed day. Please like and subscribe, and you guys take it easy. I will talk to you guys later. Alright, bye.